Hi, Pat here. This is part 3 of this Pioneer SX9000 stereo receiver. I'm going to start off, I know it's right here. My voltage selector there, so if I get in there, it's set at 110 volts. I'm running 120 volts here. So I'm going to pull this out. And I'm going to set it to 117. Then I'm going to plug into my dim bulb tester and make sure nothing bad happens. Okay, I got my dim bulb tester hooked up. Let me turn it on. And the bulb got a little bright and then went dim. So, I'm going to try plugging it straight in. I took voltage reading off all these pins here. And they didn't come out too bad. My 86s only came out at 77. My 90 came out at 82. Everything else is pretty close. I got this power supply board rebuilt. I placed all the caps and 4 transistors in here. Look at the old transistors. Quite a bit of difference. Another one, and another one. And I'll probably put a heat sink on this one, maybe on this one too. I need to change out these big caps. Look at the difference in size of the replacements. Somehow or another I'm going to have to get that fit down that hole right there nicely. I got these big caps in, and what I did, I went to the hardware store to the plumbing supply and got me a rubber tube. That's what's left of it, and I cut it to fit inside there. Couldn't find no exact fits, so I had to modify them a little bit, but they're in there nice and tight. And I plugged it in. Dim bulb tester went dim. And I checked the voltage across here. Most of them came out pretty good, except for my 86, 90, and 86 there. They're all still a little low. But they all tied to the amp board up here. Maybe something down there is pulling it down. This is the tone color board. I replaced 4 of the transistors. That's all there is on here. They were 2SC 458s, and they're no noisy transistors. And I replaced them with KSC 1845s. And I replaced all the caps. And right there's the switch that controls that board. I'm putting a little music to it right now. Dance, 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 dance. And things are sounding good so far. But I did discover if I turn these mic level knobs on and off, things kind of change in the audio. And same with the reverb. I put it back on the scope. I'm measuring it at the pre-outs. And let me turn the volume up all the way. My signals seem to be about the same amplitude. Right one's just a touch stronger. Now I'm going to hit the microphone knob and turn it on. Look at that. Try the other one. Yeah. The other one does the same thing. And here's the reverb. So things are changing a little bit. I put a square wave back through it, and it's looking better. That's just doing that one color board. If I change the selector in the color board to soft, goes like that. That's flat, that's bass, and that's vivid right there. Just an idea what that color tone control does. Next step, we do the control amp right here. But to get at that, this face is going to have to come off. I got the control amp out. I got all the caps and transistors off of it. But I'm going to clean this board up, start putting everything back into it. I got all the parts back on this board. I did replace the 4 transistors. They were the 2SC's 458s, which this stereo seems to have like 20 or 30 of them in there. And I replaced them with the KSC 1845s. I'm going to get back in the front panel, hook up the scope again, and see what's going on. I'm putting a square wave to it right now, through the auxiliary and out the pre-outs. And it's looking better. Switch over to sine wave, and it's looking pretty good. This is the end of part 3, so thanks for watching the video.